Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. In today's video we'll be working here on a Ford Edge, guys. So if your AC compressor does not work, the clutch does not engage, guys, and you checked everything else is fine, but you need to, guys, check your relay and find where the relay for the AC clutch is, guys. Stay with us and we'll explain where you can find it. Quick introduction, guys. Every single car we get at the shop, including this generation Ford Edge here, guys, we're trying to make at least 200 videos, guys. Why? On every single car we get at the shop, because our mission here at the shop is to save you guys as much money as we can. So please, guys, subscribe to the channel, like the video, and hopefully you will find the information helpful. Now, if your AC clutch does not work, guys, okay, AC compressor does not work, it could be many things, and we have a special video that explains what it could be, top 5 reasons why AC does not work on Ford Edge. Check it out, guys, we have it on the channel. But in today's video we'll explain where the relay is. Easiest thing, check fuses, check relay. We have the video on the fuse as well. If you need to buy replacement fuses, relays, car parts, tools, anything like that, and you want to save even more money, check out the link in the description of the video below, guys. I will go ahead, okay, open the hood now. And once I open the hood, I'll show you guys, okay, where that fuse is located, okay, and where to find it. This right here, guys, it's a 2009 Ford Edge that we'll be working on. Now the AC compressor, you cannot see it, it's on the bottom, guys, okay, down there. Now you may have, it doesn't matter, guys, if you have a single climate control or dual climate control. This is the single control, but if the other one is dual, fuse will be the same. This is, guys, the switch for the AC right here. So if your AC doesn't work, check that relay, guys. Let me show you now, okay, where it's located. Under the hood, guys, you have a fuse box that will be working here, okay, and you open it by pressing in here, open it up, okay, and remove the cover like that. You can see, guys, this cover here, you have the the fuse numbers printed on the back side, but you don't have the description. It doesn't say what the fuse or the relays are for. So that's why we decided to make the video. Some of you may not even have the manual, guys. So now the relay, guys, okay, that we're trying to find, it's actually relay number 37, guys. This is the relay right here, number 37. And looking at it now here, okay, this is the relay, guys. Okay, let me just point from up so you can get the idea. Okay, this right here is our relay that we need to replace. If you need to buy a new one, we'll have the link, okay, in the description of the video below. So check it out, guys. This is the relay. That's what it looks like, 4-pin relay. So if your AC doesn't work, check it out, guys. You can actually replace it with one of those relays, but one of them is for the fuel pump. So if you replace it with that, your fuel pump will not work, just to see if that will fix it, guys. But we have a video on the channel that explains actually how to swap relays as well. When you're ready, don't forget, guys, okay, just to go ahead, okay, and push it in, guys, and you will be ready to go. But do not forget, guys, to cover, okay, to put your fuse box cover, because otherwise dust and humidity will get inside of it, guys, and it will look something like that. So later you have to replace your fuse box. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to the channel for more videos, and see you guys next time.